Craving the secret to making $175 a day on Instagram? Hang tight because it's about to be unveiled. If you want to learn more about how to make money on social media, don't forget to click the link in the description below. First, think beyond the traditional. While a lot of people will tell you to find your niche and post regularly, you need to dive deeper. You need to become a trendsetter, not a follower. Tip 1. Become an Instagram trend spotter. Stay ahead of the curve, identify emerging trends before they become mainstream. How do you do this? By keeping an eye on popular culture, following influencers from various industries and staying updated on global events. Once you spot a trend, capitalize on it by creating relevant content. This will make your account a go-to place for the latest and hottest content, attracting more followers and engagement. Tip 2. Leverage Instagram shopping. If you're selling a product, don't just post pictures and hope for people to visit your website. Make it easy for them by tagging your products in your posts, so they can purchase with just a few clicks. Remember, the easier you make it for your followers to buy, the more likely they are to do so. Tip 3. Collaborate with lesser-known influencers. These influencers, often referred to as micro-influencers, have a smaller but more engaged audience. A partnership with them can result in high engagement rates and more conversions at a lower cost. Tip 4. Host regular Instagram live sessions. These are not just to chat with your followers but to provide them with valuable content that they can't find anywhere else. This could be a behind-the-scenes tour, a live tutorial, or a Q&A session about a hot topic. These sessions will not only boost your engagement but also give your followers a reason to keep coming back. Tip 5. Take advantage of Instagram's features. Use polls in your stories to engage with your audience and gather insights. Use Instagram's Save feature as a bookmarking tool to save content ideas from other creators. Use the Close Friends feature to give exclusive content to your most loyal followers. And finally, tip 6. Don't forget to monetize your Instagram story. With the Swipe Up feature, you can direct your followers to your online store, latest blog post, or any other place you want to drive traffic to. Remember, Instagram is not just a platform for sharing pictures, it's a powerful tool that you can leverage to make a substantial income. So don't just use Instagram, master it. If you're eager to learn more about how to make money on social media, click the link in the description below. It's time to turn your social media savvy into a money-making machine. In the world of social media, understanding the algorithm is key. Instagram's algorithm favors those who engage with their audience, post regularly, and utilize all of Instagram's features. So, let's break it down. First, understand that the more you engage with your audience, the more likely your posts are to be seen. Respond to comments, like posts, and engage authentically. Next, consistency is key. The Instagram algorithm favors users who post regularly, so set a schedule and stick to it. This could be once a day, 3 times a week, or whatever works best for you. Lastly, use all of Instagram's features. This means posting on your feed, your story, going live, and even using IGTV. The more you use, the more visibility you get. Remember, understanding the algorithm is a big part of turning your Instagram into a money-making machine. So take these tips and start capitalizing on Instagram's algorithm today. And remember, if you want to learn more about how to make money on social media, click the link in the description below. It's time to turn your social media savvy into a money-making machine.